water is the source of life and the foundation of health. Yet bacteria, virales, heavy metals, residual clone, microorganisms, and organic poisons in drinking water can silently threaten human health every day. According to the WHO, insufficient water, sanitation, and hygiene still cause a major disease burden every year. Clean and safe drinking water is not only essential for daily life, but also critical to service quality and business reliable. So what kind of commercial water purification equipment should you choose? The first option is reverse osmosis. RO systems use high-precision membranes and pressure to allow water molecules through, while blocking nearly all contaminants. In the RO process, pressurized water passes through the membrane, while heavy metals, bacteria, viruses, scale, salts, and even microplastics are retained. That is why RO is widely used in hotels, restaurants, cafés, hospitals, schools, offices, airports, factories, and laboratories. When selecting an RO system, match the unit to peak water demand and prioritize low energy use, high water efficiency, and automatic flushing. This helps ensure stable performance in high-standard commercial environments. The second option is ultrafiltration. UF systems use hollow fiber membranes to physically screen out bacteria, chloroids, and suspended matter, while keeping some beneficial minerals in the water. Driven by normal water pressure, UF membranes remove key impurities without electricity, while providing high flow and low energy use. They are well suited to convenience stores, small restaurants, office pantries, public drinking points, and retail spaces. The third option is ultraviolet disinfection. UV systems use light to damage the DNA of bacteria and viruses, delivering chemical-free sterilization with no secondary pollution. To ensure effective sterilization, UV power should match water turbidity, and the unit is best used as a final-stage disinfection device after pre-filtration. It fits small shops, emergency water supply, farms, and compact food service kitchens. For centralized supply, a combined purification and softening system can remove residual clone, odor, color, and impurities, then reduce hardness by exchanging calcium-magnesium ions. This helps protect pipelines, boilers, coffee machines, laundry equipment, and other assets across hotels, resorts, apartments, factories, laundries, and commercial complexes.